can wash our hands. Yeah. What do we need to do right now?
No.
Wash hands. Yeah. Can you say, everybody wash your hands? Or not. You've got homemade hand sanitizer, and then you'll have baby wipes that you can use for about a week. One thing I made is a Breathe Easy pillow. You could still be using your essential oils. Another thing you could use to clean and or help boost your immune system is apple cider vinegar. Hydrogen peroxide, you can use this for cleaning. Another alternative to paper towels, napkins, things like that is to use or make cloth. Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some homemade products that you can make to try and get yourself through this time. We do some of these anyway without it being a national disaster. So I thought that I'd just kind of share what are some things you could do as alternatives that are cheap and easy, and at this point, and as far as I know, still available in the store. It's just always good to share what we know and how we can help others in this time. I'm gonna go over hand sanitizer, baby wipes that you can make on your own, some natural things you can help to do to boost your immune system, cleaning products, things like that. Hands! We're gonna wash our hands. Yeah. What do we need to do right now?
No.
Wash hands. Yeah. Can you say, everybody wash your hands? Or not. Alright, so the first things, my toddler rearranged everything, is we're going to be making some natural baby wipes with coconut oil, grapefruit seed extract. This can also be used as a cleaning product or taken internally for immune support. It also kind of helps clean out any gunk. Just don't take it internally if you're pregnant. It's safe to use around the house, but don't ingest this if you're pregnant. And you'll need a roll of paper towels. We're going to cut it in half and it'll make baby wipes. Hydrogen peroxide, which can also be used as a natural cleaning product. That's not going in our wipes, that's just something I have that you can use to clean. It's also good for cleaning up after kitchen stuff, helps kill salmonella, things like that. One thing I made is a Breathe Easy pillow. You could still be using your essential oils. One thing that people don't think about is clary sage or burning sage. Helps kill billions of strains of bacteria, so it's great for just cleansing your home. Orange, which is opening up to the nasal cavity and then is also uplifting, and tea tree, which is also an antimicrobacterial and helps just kind of with disinfecting. All of these we've been diffusing minus the sage. Sage will also help induce labor, so sage is one we're passing on right now, just because I'm pregnant. We're going to be using aloe vera gel and then rubbing alcohol to make hand sanitizer. These were both at Walmart during the absolute craziest, maddest time, so those should still be available. Another thing you could use to clean and or help boost your immune system is apple cider vinegar. This stuff is great. We use it all the time. And then if push comes to shove, you can save dishwashing soap bottles and use these kind of like a peri bottle. If you've given birth, you know what I'm talking about. You just use this to wash off your undersides and your bum and then dry off with a cloth. Those are just kind of the things we're going to go over today. Again, not a fix all, solve all, but just some solutions for you and your family. So we're gonna start off with making the baby wipes. You're gonna need 2 cups of distilled water. This just kind of helps the wipes to last longer. And distilled water is just boiled water. You don't have to go out and buy anything special. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, which I'm just gonna kind of eyeball and let that melt in there. 15 drops of the grapefruit seed extract. So I have this all natural baby wash from Simple Truths Organic. Mix this up. Because the water is fairly hot, I'm gonna just let it cool down. So that's the solution. And you're just gonna take your paper towels and you're just gonna cut the roll in half. Alright, so you got your paper towel cut in half. And what I'm gonna do is wait for our solution here to cool, and when it's cool we're gonna place it, we're gonna pour it over this. I'm only going to make 1 batch of baby wipes just because these have about a week-long shelf life. So the mixture for the baby wipes is cooled down. So I'm just gonna pour it over the paper towel roll. And from there you can pull out the center. The center we're gonna put in our compost. Seal up the bag and you're just gonna kind of let the solution soak into this. And then you'll have baby wipes that you can use for about a week. Paper towels are hard to find or you're not finding them, you can always use cloth and do the same thing. So hydrogen peroxide, you can use this for cleaning. I just put it in a spray bottle with a 1-to-1 ratio with water, and then use that to spray my countertops, even cutting boards after cutting meat, things like that, to just cut back on bacteria and the spread of germs. Like I said, the grapefruit seed extract is really great for cleaning products, and let me show you how to make one of those. So to make your grapefruit seed extract cleaner, what you're going to do is just take your grapefruit seed extract and you're going to drop about 15 drops of the extract. This bottle will last you forever, even if you use it for everything like we do. But you put about 15 drops into distilled water, which this has been filled. Mix it up, and then you have an incredible antibacterial cleaning spray, which is easy to make and super powerful in cleaning and destroying all kinds of germs. Next thing we're going to be making is homemade hand sanitizer. I have a old contact lens bottle that I save. Again, I don't really like to throw away bottles just because I feel like you could find a use for them. And then I've got a hand soap dispenser. That's what we're going to be putting our hand sanitizer in. There's a lot of different recipes. I'm going to be using the alcohol and aloe vera gel just because that's what we had on hand. You can also use witch hazel and tea tree oil, which I have the tea tree right here, so you can use that. You could probably even use the grapefruit seed extract. Just depends on what recipe you find and want to use, and honestly what products are available for you to find in stores right now. So you're going to use 2 points alcohol to 1 point aloe vera. For now we'll do a cup of this and half a cup of that. So we've got our alcohol. Actually, we need to do a cup. That was only half a cup. We need half a cup of the aloe vera gel. Ooh. And then you can also use a couple of drops of essential oils. I'm going to add sweet orange because I love the smell of sweet orange. Once your solution is mixed, you can just pour it into your easy pour, or use an easy pour container to put it into your bottles. You've got homemade hand sanitizer. Another alternative to paper towels, napkins, things like that is to use or make cloth. I've been making these cloth washcloths to use in place of paper towels. We have a laundry pail that we just put all of our wet dish rags in, and that's alternative for using paper towels. One thing I made is a Breathe Easy pillow. Even if you're just having some sinus congestion or seasonal allergies, this is great. I made one for my daughter. She loves it. I was having some sleeping sinus congestion, and I slept with this, and it just really helped. It's got eucalyptus leaves, lavender, and then buckwheat. All of this is bulk items you can get at Natural Grocers. Which, by the way, I just want to shout out a big thank you to Natural Grocers. One, for not going crazy in this time of crazy, but because they are actually the only ones that I found paper towels at. They are not tolerating hoarding, and I really appreciate that. And they also are still seeking to source their natural products, but they've just kind of been one of those rock places in this time of craziness, so I will be supporting them more. Alright, so that's the sinus pillow. I think I also maybe put chamomile in here. Again, all of these things are still pretty readily available at Natural Grocers. Then something you could do to boost your immune system is salt water gargling. So that has been some basic things you can make for yourself during this time of shortage. I would encourage that even after things get resupplied, to maybe cut back on using things and maybe realize how little you truly need. And I hope that in this time you're taking care of those around you and finding ways to serve other people and give what you can of your time and energy just to help those around us. Please stay safe and don't go nuts.